We've all had it happen. You have a tag light that goes out. But sometimes you find that it's not just the light bulb that needs to be replaced. It's actually the socket itself, or maybe even the wiring. So I had to take my socket out because my light bulb was not the problem. The socket is connected to the wiring harness. This is the new socket that I bought. I got it from Rock Auto. So what I have to do now is remove the old wire with the socket attached and replace it with the new one. So the first step is to remove the black conduit that the wires run through. I remove the black electrical tape and the corrugated black conduit, which is available to purchase at pretty much any hardware or automotive store. This is what it looks like. Once I do that with some scissors and get the actual wires exposed and free, then I'm going to measure twice and cut once. Because once you cut, you are at the point of no return. So I cut the old one off and get ready to measure and prepare my new socket. Now that I've made my cut, I need to strip off the protective plastic sheath from the wires so that I can make the electrical connection with the vehicle. I've always used a sharp pair of scissors to strip the plastic sheath off of the wires. It's always worked best for me, and I've never found success with any of the special tools. Now the wires are stripped on the new socket, and I'm going to need to strip the old wires that are coming from the car's electrical system. I'll connect them with butt connectors, as you can see here. I slip each of the bare exposed wires into the opposite ends of the butt connectors. Now I wrap everything up with electrical tape and put brand new conduit around the wires. And this is what the final product looks like. So now I just need to plug it back into its port and then test it out. And as you can see, the light now works. But I have another experiment I'd like to try. I have an LED bulb that I'd like to see if it will work in this tag light. And it does. As you can see, it's actually a lot brighter, and it's a whiter light than the original one that's on the other side. I was on a roll. I had some more LED lights in my box, and they would fit my tail lights, so I decided to give it a try. I put them in the place of the backup light, but I only used one on the right side. The one on the left is the original, more yellow standard bulb, so I replaced that one too.